Hello, welcome to this series of translations of the Abhangas of Saint Tukaram from his Abhanga Gatha into English. I am Deepak Fadnis. You may be aware that I have been doing these translations of Abhangas since 2016, and the intention is that the people who do not understand Marathi, they also should know the greatness of Saint Tukaram and the beauty of his poetry, the epic which is known as Abhanga Gatha. You may be aware, Abhanga Gatha has more than 4,500 short verses which are called Abhangas. Abhangas means something which cannot break, something which is indestructible. So these are the words of wisdom of Saint Tukaram, very lovely, and please see for yourself. If you like the translations, please give a feedback. Today we are going to translate Abhangas 463 and 464. First I will read Abhanga 463 in Marathi. आदि मध्य अंत दाखविले दीपे हातो आपणपे यत्न बरा दासत्वे दाविले धन्याचे भांडार तो नव्हे सार येथुनिया उपायाने सोस नासला सकळ सर्व सत्ताबळ अंगा आहे तुका म्हणे दृष्टी सकळांचे शिरी वचनची करी बैसोनिया. Saint Tukaram has reached a great height when he became a saint, when he became a God-realized person. And this is an Abhanga in which he is saying that now he has got everything by worshipping Lord Hari. He developed detachment from objects of sense organs, the tendency of the mind to run behind objects of senses. He developed detachment from that, and as a result, also as a result of his God realization, he also came in possession of tremendous powers, God's powers. As we know, a yogi, when he unites with God, becomes one with God and acquires all powers of God himself. A very lovely Abhanga helps in increasing our belief in what is possible by devotion and by listening to great saints. So this is a proof of what you can achieve with pure devotion, only loving God. All you do is love God, tell God, you're my father, you're my mother, I trust you, I love you, I bow down to you, I will be happy, whatever way you keep me, I will keep seeking you, I will keep trying to be one with you. If that's all in devotion and help others, that's all in devotion. So let us see the translation. The first two lines, or the first line rather, the first what we call the first charan. Adi madhya anta dakhavile deepe hato apanape yatna bara. If there is a dark environment, if there is darkness, and then a light only shows the beginning, middle, and end of any object. If you want to see something thoroughly, in a room where there is darkness, you bring a light, and with the light you will see the beginning of the object, the middle of the object, the end of the object, everything you will be able to see. So we should take help of such light. Now this will be extrapolated to the spiritual meaning. Now, second line, दासत्वे दाविले धन्याचे भांडार तो नव्हे सार येथुनिया. You can get an opportunity to see the treasure, the great treasure house of your boss, your dhani, your malik, your boss, your owner, only if you accept to be his servant. When I am somebody's servant, then the owner, if he is pleased with me, he will show me the treasure that he has. Same thing applies with God. If God is pleased with you, he will show you everything he has. And so if you don't accept the attitude of a servant, then you can never get glimpse of that treasure. That was the second line, very beautiful line. And now we will move to the third line. उपायाने सोस नासला सकळ सर्व सत्ताबळ अंगा आले. Because I resorted to the measure of devotion, because I took to devotion to Lord, I got rid of all attachment to desires, and all the powers of Lord Hari have come to my possession. Now I am in possession of all powers of the God. This is the declaration, this is the straight admission Saint Tukaram is saying of what level he reached as a result of his God realization. Basically, these are the powers which are present in every soul, and the powers have been forgotten by the soul because the soul identifies itself with the body and doesn't remember the powers of the soul. So he becomes limited. But in case of Tukaram Maharaj and in case of great yogis, they got on the back possession of these powers, they got back the memory of these powers as a result of his union with God. Now we'll come to the last line of the short Abhanga. तुका म्हणे दृष्टी सकळांचे शिरी वचनची करी बैसोनिया. Tuka says, now I see everyone with an equal mindedness. Now he has equal feeling for everybody. This devotee or the non-devotee, the pious man or the sinner. Because he knows this is a drama. This is a drama. People are misguided. As a result of their getting misguided, they may be committing sins, or they may not be committing sins. They may be very pious, but still they are not seeking God. So all kinds of people are here, but the saint looks at everyone with an equal-minded attitude. So Tukaram Maharaj says, तुका म्हणे दृष्टी सकळांचे शिरी वचनची करी बैसोनिया. I am ordering without getting up from my seat. What he is conveying is, now I am in command. I am in command of this universe. That is the position a yogi gets as a result of becoming united with God. So I have a tremendous respect for this Abhanga. With what he has announced, what he has confided, it's great. That is why people say, Tuka Vishnu Nohe Duja. There's no difference between Tukaram and Vishnu. Lord Tukaram and Lord Saint Tukaram and Lord Vishnu. I hope you liked this translation, and with this we'll move to the next Abhanga. Abhanga 464, I think so. Look at it now. First in Marathi. साठविला वाण पैस घातला दुकान. जे ज्या पाहिजे जे काळी आहे सिद्धची जवळी. निवडिले साचे उत्तम मध्यम कनिष्ठ काचे. तुका बैसला दुकानी दावी मोला ऐसी वाणी. Tukaram Maharaj is a great spiritual leader and a great guide. Here, after appreciating this Abhanga, you will realize that he was able to guide all kinds of people, the pious people as well as the sinners. Let us see the translation. The first line. A little bit before that, Saint Tukaram had reached such a high spiritual level that he could guide all types of devotees, those with qualities coming from Tamoguna and those with habits of Sattvaguna also. In this Abhanga, you can see that having achieved his own self-realization, now he is spending all his time to help others. And he is taking a very keen interest in the development of others in spiritual field. As much as a shopkeeper loves running his shop. Tukaram Maharaj was a shopkeeper. So he is giving example of a shopkeeper and how the shopkeeper runs his shop with lot of interest. The same interest he is showing here now in guiding people spiritually. Beautiful Abhanga. I'll proceed with the first line translation. Sathvila Vana पैस घातला दुकान. I have stocked in my shop various kinds of goods of devotion or goods for devotion. Second line, जे ज्या पाहिजे जे जे काळी आहे सिद्धची जवळी. Whatever item someone wants and at whatever time he wants it, the thing is readily available. In the third line, निवडिले साचे उत्तम मध्यम कनिष्ठकाचे. Whatever निवडिले साचे उत्तम मध्यम कनिष्ठकाचे. In my shop, I have classified the items in three categories. The low grade, meaning those who are suitable for the sinners, the tamasic people. The medium grade, suitable for the rajasic people, those who have very kingly habits, those who like to roll in pleasures and enjoy life, but they are not much inclined towards spirituality. Those are the medium grade people. And the best grade, which is suitable for sattvic people. Sattvic meaning those who have a lot of interest in spiritual seeking. They love God from birth. They are born with good habits, very clean habits, and they don't sleep much, they don't eat much, they don't think in terms of wine and women and wealth. So those are the sattvic people, and for them also Tukaram Maharaj has items, goods in his shop which will help them in reaching God. So all items in my shop are genuine, he says, and they are nicely sorted out, well sorted out. You get what exactly you need. This is a beautiful Abhanga explaining how a shopkeeper sells his goods. He is announcing what kind of goods he has and how he will benefit any customer who comes to his shop. I like it very much. I hope you also like this Abhanga. And with this, today's translations are over. But I would like to request you to go back, see all the old Abhangas which have been translated. I have been doing this since last 4 years. There are a lot of Abhangas to see here on this YouTube channel, Deepak Fadnis, and also on a Facebook page which is also named as Saint Tukaram Gatha Translation. You will find many Abhangas here and many Abhangas there also. Please try to go through all the 464 Abhangas and enjoy the literature produced by the great Saint Tukaram. With this request, I would like to take your leave. I first thank you very much for listening to me and say goodbye till next time.